Hello guys, thank you for watching this video again. This is Hugo from Sanchez Roofing and Construction, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a skylight or replacement on a low slope roof or flat roof. Things what I'm going to mention, it's better to have it before you start the work, is some tools. You need a pouch, knife, drill, scissors, brush, roller, circular saw in case you need to replace some wood. Material what you're going to need is going to be EPDM rubber roof, abundant adhesive, cleaner, primer, seam tape, cover tape, or maybe some wood. Let's get started. I hope you guys like the noise in the background. Alright, so here's the skylight. We have to remove some screws all the way around. This is the reason why we're replacing the skylight. All the moisture trapped there. Here's the skyline has been removed. See all the water staying there, but also see the water. See all the water trapped in there. Okay, after removing the skylight and the structure or the frame, we noticed some wood rot in here, so definitely we're going to replace this and put a new wood. Just the damaged part. Insulation is fine. And you know, after we can do the frame again. All right, I already built the frame. It's already set up. That's the older one. This is the new one. So now we're going to put some screws to hold it. We're going to put a little trim all the way around. And what else we're going to do? And then we can start working on the rubber roof around the skylight. And after that would be the new skylight. Now we're working installing the rubber roof, so this is the part where we replace the wood. At this time we have to go with no insulation. That's how this roof is installed. It's just repair for now, should be fine. So once we get here on this section, we're going to install a seam tape similar to this product right here, right? And that will connect the old product with the new one, and then we might do another strip of cover tape just to make sure the repair will work. Now we're just waiting to let the glue dry a little bit, and then we can apply the rubber roof. All right. Rubber roof has been installed all the way around the skylight curve. Now I'm working to install the seam tape. Has been applied cleaner, primer, so it's ready to apply right here. All right. Almost done. Now all the rubber is done, the patching of the corners, all is done all the way around. I already set the solar shade, so being on center already. And now is the skylight. All right, almost done. This is the skylight repair of today. It's a bit skylight with a solar power shades. Very nice. We already tried it. Works pretty good. It's on top of a flat roof, so we have to build a curve and then wrap it up with the rubber roof. They used to have a leak right here. We replaced some wood and put a new skylight. I hope you enjoyed watching this video how to repair EPDM rubber roof and skylight installation. Keep in mind to read all the instructions to make sure you let all the liquid cure to make sure EPDM will be adhered. Give us a call if you need any service. We are serving Northwest Indiana and Illinois. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, soffit, fascia, and gutters. 219-937-7727 or 888-894-2462. Thank you for watching.
Sanchez Roofing and Construction, Inc.,